Hi friends, welcome to week 12 and week 2 of distance learning. I hope you all had a fabulous break last week and got to relax a little bit and just chill and hang out and get a break from school. And hopefully now we can kind of refocus and get back in our routine with school. Okay, so I'll see you at our Google Meet today, but I'm going to go over our week just so in case you forget to come to our Google Meet or you miss it or something, you still know what's going on. So today's super easy, okay? We're creating an at-home study space, and you'll see that in the week 12 folder. And I am giving you points for that. And it sounds kind of silly, but it's super important that we have a space in our homes that we're going to be successful for school, okay? Like not laying on our beds because that makes us tired. And not sitting on a chair that's uncomfortable all day long because that's going to hurt our backs or our necks and things like that. So just making sure we have a space that is going to really be helpful and help us focus on school and all that good stuff. So directions are in here for that, and you're basically just going to submit a photo of your study space. And I give you an example of mine, my workspace at home. I have a home office, and not everyone does, but even if you don't even have a desk, you can kind of create your own space and find a spot at the table or whatever it is that's going to work for you, okay? Tuesday, individual study session. Okay, that form is in here. And Wednesday, we are doing our first tutorial. So you'll notice our first tutorial as a group in Google Meet. Okay, so you'll notice that your TRF is due on Tuesday night. Okay, so the actual TRF you have to get done on Tuesday by, oh, that's wrong, I should say 11:59 p.m. because I need them ahead of time, so on Wednesday morning, I can look at the groups and make groups by the time we get in our meeting for the best kind of way to do that, okay? Keep in mind that we've never done this before, and our tutors are going to be joining us, and it's new, so we're just going to check it out and try it, and hopefully it goes well. Don't stress about it. I'm going to kind of tweak things as we go, and if things don't go well, we'll kind of figure out what else we can do to make it go smoothly. So it's new for all of us. We're just going to kind of wing it, and it'll be a learning experience. Thursday, I just gave you time to work on your Genius Hour, but I have a check-in form. Normally, I do check-in meetings. So like during class, I would pull each of you up to my desk, and we'd go over like, this is my plan for my project, and this is what I have done so far. But because I can't actually do that with you in class, I just created a form so you can kind of go through and show me like, this is what's done so far. This is my plan. You might not have a ton done yet, and that's okay. But because we're doing this up until like, I think I told you January 14th, it's in Schoology, but we only have like a month left, so we kind of have to get going on it. So if you have nothing done, that's a problem, okay? So we'll fill out that form on Thursday just so I can kind of see where you're at. Friday, we're going to start a critical reading lesson. Normally we do a lot of critical reading strategies in class because that helps you throughout high school when you're using different texts in different classes. It also is going to super help you at college if you're planning on going to college. It will be really helpful. So it's a multi-day thing, and I didn't want to give you too much work in a day. So we're doing the first day of it on Friday, but then you'll see next week there'll be a day that says critical reading lesson day 2, and that's the second half. It's the same article. Okay, it's a short article, but the idea is that we're going through the process of using the critical reading strategies to help us understand the text. So I didn't choose a super challenging text by any means. It's about smartphones and smartphone use and technology addiction and things like that, which is super relevant to most of us. So the text isn't super challenging, but in the future, you might get a challenging text from me and AVID, and we might work through some of these critical reading strategies with that text. So this is just kind of practice, but you're still going to go through each step of it, okay? And there's like a video clip you're going to start with, then you're going to do a pre-reading activity just on a piece of paper, you're going to number the paragraphs, and you're going to do vocabulary thing, okay? So multi-steps, and then next week we'll finish it, okay? So I hope you have a great week. I'll see you at our Google Meet on Monday at 10:50.